Okay, the Boblov W4 mini body cam. Got the instruction manual, the box itself. There's all the stuff that's in the box. The camera. Let me go through this first. All right, so you got it comes with a thing to hang around your neck. It's magnetic, so it sticks on like that. You can stick it. So the whole point of this is hang this under your clothes, from your neck. You stick this to the outside of it, and you can mount it that way, or you could put it mount it to your belt or your shirt or something like that, and it clips into this thing. And this is rotates 360 degrees. Got a little alligator clip, so you can mount it that way too. It clips in there. So, and also you got a USB Type C cord for charging and data transfer. Here you got the cheap no-name micro SD card reader. And here you got a USB A to USB C adapter. So turning this thing on, it's very small, it's plastic, not much to it. The bottom is flat, so you can stand it up. If you want to do like surveillance or something like that, the back's magnetic. Like I said before, if you want to stick it on your refrigerator or something like that, you can. Do surveillance, whatever you want to do. This part opens up here. This is the USB-C, connects right in there, and the memory card in there. I use my own memory card because I don't want to use their memory card because I don't know if it contains a virus, and I don't want to use their memory card. I just use my own. I have 128 gigabyte in there, so it works just fine. I usually don't use the cards, these cheap memory cards that they provide, because well, they're cheap and they may not work. And at the top you got the reset button, so in case it acts up or anything like that, it stops working, you just hit the reset button, and it returns it to factory settings. So that's it. And I think this is waterproof. I wouldn't dunk it in a bucket of water or anything like that. You use it in light rain, probably nothing will happen to it. It does not have video stabilization, but so just keep that in mind. So to turn it on, long press it and that comes on. It flashes blue, that blue light comes on. And now it's in standby mode, so to get it to start recording, you just press it again and it vibrates. It vibrates when you turn it on, and it vibrates again every time you press the button. So then it blinks, and now it's recording now. When you're done recording, hit it again, and it'll vibrate for a short time. And to turn it off, you just long press it again and it just shuts off. Just a real quick way to turn it off and to stop recording at the same time, just long press it. And it'll stop recording and shut off at the same time. It records in 2K. I'm not sure if it's upscaled to 2K or whatever, but the footage looks pretty good though, I gotta say. Each 5-minute file, each 5-minute clip takes up about a gigabyte in size, so no real problems with this in using it. I've used it for a couple days now, doing my deliveries, and it's pretty good. Go over some technical specifications real fast. It doesn't have Wi-Fi or anything like that. It's just a camera that connects to your computer. Technical specifications, in case anyone's interested. You can pause the video if you want. 1.5 to 2 hours battery life, and it takes 2 hours to charge. Here's the instructions on how to set the time. Yeah. So there you go. All right, that's it. The video quality looks pretty good to me. But yeah, I'll let you be the judge. All right, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description in case anybody's interested, and that's it. Thanks. Number 12. All right, $10 number 12. Thank you. Thank you. Here, you drop this.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, no problem. What are you doing? Oh, you're on your phone. Hey, Simone. Sit. Sit, thank you.